We're recording.
Okay. We are recording.
We have a visual.
Yeah. All right, son. Here we go. Talking to quiet. Come on.
Close. Real close. Almost.
Look at that hitting.
Almost. Ah, Jesus.
I got it right on it. Right.
Yeah, you got to move over to the left. You move over to the left just a hair. Take 6.
I need more.
All right, hang on. We need more shells.
We need more bullets. Out of the ring. More bullets.
You're hitting right on the right of it. You're skimming that rock, all the shit right on the right of it. Put the deer close to it. I'll nail it. Put the deer right. Put it on the deer's head. Put it right on his head.
That deer would just be in pieces.
Oh yeah, who knows where the fucking antlers would end up there. Look, he's got it hiding behind the other target now.
Shooting literally I hit almost the same spot every time.
Just need to move over here.
Well, I hate not aiming at the target. I'm gonna have to actually aim to the left of it.
Yeah, just a little bit to the left and you got it. You look at the rock you're hitting.
I know, I see it now. Yeah, you're hitting low and to the right. Low and to the right, yep. Alright.
All right, Act 2. Blowing up the little tree.
Okay. Recording.
I'm still recording, so all these mistakes have been recorded. Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
Let me. That's the ground check. I was going to say, maybe mix too much water with that. Something was off.
Yeah, baby!
Yeah, that's a fucking ground check.
This recording has been canceled. All right, how do you stop it? Which one do you...
Just press a button again.
Anyone?
And